This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to activate Xfinity router. First, plug the coax or Ethernet into the router and tighten any connectors. Next, connect the power and wait for the lights to stabilize. Then open a browser or the Xfinity app and sign in with your account details. If prompted, enter the activation code shown on your device screen and follow the on-screen steps until your network is active. Make sure connections are firm and the router sits on a flat surface. After powering on, watch the LED sequence and allow several minutes for initialization. If the router shows error lights, perform a soft reset using the recessed button and restart the activation process. Keep your account sign in handy because you may need to confirm device details. A steady white or blue light usually means the router is online and ready to configure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds simple voice control and great sound to your home network setup, making it easy to play music or control smart lights while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your setup. Now let's get back to the video. Use the Xfinity app for the simplest activation experience and follow the prompts to add a new device. Confirm the device serial number if asked and accept terms to begin provisioning. When prompted, set your Wi-Fi network name and password so devices can connect. After activation completes, reconnect your devices to the new network and test internet access. If issues persist, contact Xfinity support for guided troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.